Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our question number 5. Question number 5 is what length of tarpaulin of 3 meter wide will be required to make the conical tent of height 8 meter and radius 6 meter. So what length of, so we have to calculate the length of tarpaulin having breadth 3 meter. So tarpaulin is in shape of this rectangle, so this is the cloth of tarpaulin having breadth of 3 meter. You have to find the value of this length. So here given terms are your height is given, that is the value of h is given 8 meter. The value of radius is given, this is height, the value of radius is 6 meter. This cloth is used to make the conical tent, so this cloth is used to make this conical tent. So here the value of slant height is not given, so we know that for the for this conical tent, the value of this slant height can be calculated by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, so what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So value of hypotenuse here is your slant height, the value of this perpendicular is your height, and the value of this base is your radius. So the value of this slant height is equals to, height is your 8, radius is your 6. So square of 8 is 64, square of 6 is 36, and the value comes out to be 100. So the value of this slant height is equals to 10 meter. So this is the value of this 10 meter. So we have to calculate the area. So we use this rectangular tarpaulin to make this cone. So the area of tarpaulin used is equals to area of this conical tent. So this is your rectangular tarpaulin. The rectangular tarpaulin has area of, rectangle has area of length into breadth, and area of cone is your pi r l. So you can easily calculate the value of this length. The value of breadth is given, that is 3 meter wide. So the value of breadth is given, that is equals to 22.7 into the value of radius is your 6, the value of your slant height is your 10. So you will calculate the value of this L. So the value of this L comes out to be, L is equals to, so this is 22.7 into 6 into 10 divide by this 3 will divide on other side, this 3 will divide on other side, so you will form 3 1 the 3, 3 to the 6. So the value of this L comes out to be, on solving you will obtain 62.80 meter. So this length of tarpaulin is used. Now the next part is 20 centimeter of tarpaulin is wasted. So this is extra length of material that is required for stitching margins. So this extra margin wastage in cutting is 20 centimeters. So the length is, total length used is, so 20 meter 20 centimeter is equals to 0.20 meter. So the length is, you will add these both terms, so the total length of tarpaulin used is 62.80, and you will add this wastage to it, so the total length used is 63 meter. That is your required answer. So next question is, the slant height and base diameter of conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. So slant height and base diameter of conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface area at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. So first of all we have to calculate the curved surface area. This is your diameter and this is your slant height. The value of L is given, that is 25 meter. The value of this diameter is given, that is 14 meter. So the value of radius is 14 divided by 2, that is your 7 meter. So what is your curved surface area? Curved surface area is your pi rl. So on solving you will obtain 22.7 into r is your 7 and l is your 25. On multiplication you will obtain 550 meter square. So cost of 100 meter square is rupees 200, 210, and cost of this 550 meter square is, so you will multiply